doing a quick video. You might as well send me this. I'll stick it on YouTube later. Just done the place this evening. Clean all this on the seal off. As I've said in the upcoming video, I'm going to go the old-fashioned way and clean it all rather than have a dip. Get some elbow grease in. Do the job manually. Also, let me have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. Because I want to give someone a special thank you. Come on, hurry up and load. I don't know why every time I sign into it, I have to confirm it. Come on. Yeah, there's a person, obviously I'm assuming he's a subscriber, called Nicholas Stevenson. Thank you so much for your donation, mate. You did say that it's not much, but it is. So thank you so much. I will be spending it on Worcester. Thank you, mate. Let's get some more work done on this, baby. Dad, be careful you don't film out that bit. This is going to rinse the electric. Hey, I'm going to try my best to repair that strut base. I know it's right in here and it's starting to go here, but should be able to repair that. Take it off so it gets in properly.
Yeah. Turn it off now.
Yeah. See ya.